Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bagdalit. Today I'm gonna walk you through redesigning a website in Figma and make it also fully responsive using auto layout. So if you're looking to level up your UI UX design skills, you are in the right place. Let's get started.
As you can see here, up a few things. So first is the site that we're gonna redesign. Just this is a website that I made before. This is a sample website, not real. So we're gonna redesign only hero section, okay? So I got already prepared for hero section assets. Today we're gonna use EXO or Echo. I don't know how to call this name. So this font and this font only. We're not gonna use this font because we don't have subheading here. I mean, not on the wireframe here. Actually, that must be body, not heading. Okay. So that's body. Okay. Sorry guys. That must be body. The body. So I want to show you something where I got this font pairings. Font pairings are from the website font.tray.com. That's completely free website. Go ahead and check their website. You can generate fonts and you can find useful things. It's just a tip, okay? This is, I guess, a wireframe. Here's the CTA and here's the CTA. Simple, very simple hero, okay? Go ahead and click F and create a frame. So I returned my panels and that's gonna be 14.4 and H doesn't matter, we don't need that. Let's call it redesign hero section. Just hero makes sense. So we're gonna call up this side and align it a bit so that looks good. So I'm gonna just copy the text and go ahead and paste it here. So I've already created typography style. I'm gonna select H1. So did I select H1? Nope. Go ahead and do it again. So H1. That's that I want. Now this looks good. So maybe this one, maybe that one, maybe that one. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna select this thing. That looks pretty well rather than this. So let's go ahead and copy the text again and paste it right over here. So I'm gonna select body text. So that's that we want. Okay, that's sweet. And let's grab our button. As you can see, it's in component. It says on component. So why it is on component? Because it's way more better to manipulate these buttons. Because I change the color, it's gonna affect to everything. You see? So it's always better to components to the things that you're gonna use multiple times. Go ahead and paste it right over here. I mean, not over here. Here. Sorry. So I'm gonna copy the text and paste it. So as you can see, the text is way more small. We're gonna select our body style. Nope. Select all and body. Okay, that's good. So when you're using audio layout, start from small things. For example, these texts are relevant and this just the first things that we made. So we're gonna select add audio layout using Shift A, and I want the spacing is must be, I guess, to 16 pixels. And that, let's go and rename this. It's gonna be content text. Okay, that's good. This and this gonna be gap is 32 pixels, and go ahead and rename it again, like content, just content makes sense. Go ahead and grab our imagery from the assets, because I don't want this image because it has some bad black border that I don't like. I don't want to set my own. I mean, I want to set my own. Let's go ahead and add corner radius. That's good. And effects, drop shadow, and blur. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and select everything and add all the layout, and that's gonna be maybe 42 because that makes sense. That's, I guess, maybe 42, not 42, maybe like 40, I guess. That looks good. So because 40 is divisible by 4. And the last thing is navbar. I want to grab our logo. Go ahead and paste right over here. That looks good. We may align it immediately. So I'm gonna copy the body text. Actually, we can just type it from here. So that's gonna be first about us. If I'm not mistaken, yes. Here's about us, testimonials, and course, and grab my spot. That's CTA. So first is about us. Sorry guys for my spelling. I'm not good at spelling. So about us. Let's select our body. Okay, it's already selected. Let's go ahead and duplicate it. That's gonna be testimonials. Testimonials. That's good. And the last is courses, right? Courses, maybe, right? We spelled it correctly. Congrats. And now we don't need this thing. So go ahead and copy the. Oh my god, sorry guys. Nope, oops, it didn't work. Just copy and paste it here. So that's gonna be grab my spot, yeah? Not grab my spot. Yep, my spot. So, yep, that looks good. Let's go ahead and add all the layout. I want them at least 60 pixels and align it. So it really doesn't matter right now. We can align it later on all the layout. So that looks good for now. Auto, that looks, I want it to be fixed. Yes, that's already fixed. So that looks good. Okay, add auto layout again, and I want it to be 160 pixels. That makes sense. So we can shrink the height. Oops, we cooked something. So that looks pretty good for now. The spacing are a bit irritating. Let's say spacing is not good. So let's go ahead and increase the spacing from the navbar. That looks good. So guys, as you can see, I didn't rename this friends. So let's go ahead and rename this. That's gonna be nav link. I always recommend you frames because you're not gonna know what frame means. So it's gonna be navigation, just nav, leave it as nav, and all of them gonna be hero section. Hero. Okay, that looks good. Last thing is make it adhering to the top and the center. Yep. The beauty of this is when we stretch it out, it always remains in the center. You see? When I shrink it, always remains in the center. So why I need to fix it? Because that's gonna be for desktop, and later on we're gonna design for tablet and mobile version. On that time we're gonna make it responsive. Okay, that's how we used auto layout to make it more organized hero section. To make more organized design layout. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and comment. You can also comment below what kind of contents you like. So I'm also gonna leave the link of the Figma file, so you may get access to it and change and practice by yourself. So once again, see you later, alligator.